Welcome to another video. All right, let's solve this exponential equation with highest powers here. Okay, together now we have x to the power 100, and then we have x to the power 50. Okay, now we can make the terms here equal by changing this 100 here. I can write this one as x to the power 50 or to the power 2 plus x to the power 50 equals to 2. Okay, so we have equal terms here. In going back, 2 times 50 is 100. So I've done nothing to this. Okay, now let's take the x to the power 50 out, since it is making the question complicated and intricate. Let's take it out by representing it by a variable. So let y be x to the power 50. Okay, all right, so I'll go back, then substitute y at where x to the power 50 is. So I'll put y here. Remember the power here, 2 plus y. So let's send the 2 in, minus 2 go to 0. So this one is a quadratic. Let's see how we can solve this. So we have minus 2 here. So we have y squared plus 2y minus y. Okay, minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so we can factorize y out here, y plus 2, and we can also take negative 1 out to make it equal. Okay, so the first answer for y, when I write y plus 2, y minus 1 equal to 0. So I have y equals negative 2, then y equals to 1. So we have y equals to negative 2 and y equals to 1. Okay, remember we represented x to the power 50 by y. So let's do the substitution. So in case you are given x to the power 50 equals to negative 2. Okay, now this one won't give us real solution, so it will be a complex solution. All right, because when you take the 50th root on both sides, this side will be complex. Okay, so let's look at a situation whereby x to the power 50 is equals to 1 when y is 1. So we can take the 50th root on both sides. So this side will be x. So the 50th root of 1 is still 1. So the correct answer for this is 1. That's 1. Okay, so 1 is true. Okay, so if you want to verify, if I plug in 1 here, it will be 1 to the power 100, which is 1, plus 1 to the power 50, which is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Hence, proved. All right.